This work is about human driver behavior prediction based on UrbanFlow. For the UrbanFlow system, it firstly uses drone to collect the traffic data, then stabilize the video. After that, it detects the vehicles for each frame. Then it constructs a map according to the video. It checks the vehicles in the video and the map transition is applied. Finally, it smooths the vehicle trajectories. The original video is very shaky as it was a snowing and windy day. Then align the frame to stabilize the video. After that, vehicle detection is applied. Then it's map transition. Vehicle tracking after that. Finally, we smooth the trajectories for the vehicles. For the behavior prediction part, the main idea is for a four-way intersection controlled by traffic lights. When the lights turn green for two ways, I select the Eagle car is approaching the intersection. Meanwhile, a target vehicle is approaching the intersection as well. If the Eagle car wants to go straight and target vehicle wants to left, there will be an interaction. Or the Eagle car wants to turn right and the target vehicle wants to turn left. The other conditions will be if the Eagle car wanna turn left and the target vehicle wanna go straight, or the Eagle car wanna turn left and the target vehicle wanna turn right. Except the velocity, heading angle, and the position of interacted vehicle pairs, the distance to the intersection center and the distance to the start of the intersection will be included in the states as well. Finally, we get the direction predictions, yield predictions, and the trajectory predictions results for the target vehicles.